These are the video instructions for assignment 2.6, sports attendance. In this assignment, the first thing you're going to do is create a Google Sheets with assignment 2.6 in the Google Classroom. Once you've done that, then you're going to create the spreadsheet that you see here. Once you have this spreadsheet created, I'm on direction 3 of the written instructions. You're going to merge cells A1 through F1, and you're going to merge that, align it to the center, bold it, and change the font size to 14. Once you have that done on direction 4, it says bold and right align row 3. So I'm just going to click on the number 3 to highlight that whole row, and I'm going to bold it and then align it to the right. Direction 5 says to bold cells A4 through A7. So I'm going to click on A4, drag to A7, and click bold. And then I want to format in direction 6. It says format number by highlighting cells B4 through B7, B4 through F7, and then going to the toolbar and selecting the More Formats button. And when I click on that, I can change it to number. So it'll format as a number with a comma and decimals, and I want to go ahead and decrease the decimal by going to while I have it highlighted, decreasing the decimal 2 spots. So that's decreased. The next thing I want to do is create a line chart, and to do that, I'm going to highlight the range A3. So I'm going to click up here, highlight A3 to F7, and from the Insert menu, I'm going to click on the Insert menu and select Chart. And then in that dialog box, I want to click Chart Types. So I'm going to go off of the Recommendations tab and click on the Chart Types tab, and I want to select Line Chart. And I want to make sure it says Switch Rows and Columns. The line chart thumbnail is already selected. I want to make sure that box is checked. Then from the Customization tab, I'm going to copy and paste. So I'm going to click on here. Let me move that over. I want to copy what's in cell A1. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and put it and paste it in the chart title. So now that should say Leavenworth High School athletic attendance. And that'll change it over here in the preview. Next, it says to add a title to the line to the y-axis. So from the axis drop-down menu, select left vertical. So there's the axis. I want to select left vertical, and I want to change this to number of attendees. And then once all that done, I'm going to select Insert Chart. The next thing I want to do is I want to reposition the chart. So I'm going to drag this, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm just going to drag it down, click and drag until it's at the bottom of the data field that I have. Okay, and then the next thing I want to do is insert an image. And so what I want to do is go to the internet and find a image of the LV logo. So I found one here, and I'm just going to right click on that. And again, you can right click on it by double tap or tapping with 2 fingers on your trackpad. And I want to copy the image address. I'm going to go back to my menu, and I want to click in cell H3. And from the Insert menu, I'm going to select Image. And then I'm going to insert the image by the URL, and then I'm going to paste the image address that I just copied, and there you can see there's the logo, and then I just click Select. And once I have that in there, I want to resize this so it fits in columns H and I. So I'm going to click on the lower right-hand corner and drag up, and there it fits in columns H and I can move it around where I would like it. The next thing you want to do is proofread your chart and make sure everything is done correctly. You can also see what it would look like by clicking on the print button and clicking print, and you could just see a preview of what it would look like. You can't print from your Chromebook but you can see what it would look like if you decided to print. If you have any questions on this assignment, please let me know. Good luck. And don't forget to show me when you're all finished with the assignment. Here you can see it's loading the preview, and that's what it would look like if you printed that off. So it's a professional looking document. Again, good luck on assignment 2.6, sports attendance.